In today's video, we're cooking kattama. That is a traditional type of bread that you can eat in Kyrgyzstan. It's very interesting, it's very tasty. Let's go and see how it's prepared. Приятно вас увидеть. Спасибо. Давайте зайдем внутрь. Попробуем приготовить каттаму. So here we are at the kitchen in order to prepare kattama. We will need some water, some vinegar, we will need sodium, we will also need some oil, flour, and that's going to be all mixed up to make one very delicious and tasty kattama. Let's start. Kattama is a Kyrgyz traditional type of bread which is served usually for breakfast. And you can also drink some tea with it, so it's type of an aperitif, if we may say so. Actually, what is very interesting is that you can try some kattama on the way to Issyk-Kul in Boğum Gorge, which is very famous for kattamas. So let's see how it's being prepared. After our dough is ready, we make a very round and thin plast out of it. The thinner you make it, is the better, which is what's happening right now. She adds some flour to the dough so that it doesn't stick together, so that she can actually make the round plast easier. After you make a roll out of it, and turn it together into a type of a, if I can call it, cinnamon roll. You have to keep it for 15 or 20 minutes. It's the minimum. But actually, the longer you keep it, you may actually use the fridge. And the longer you keep it in the fridge is better. Usually, as I have already said, since this is usually being eaten during breakfast, then the hostess does the preparations in the evening. She leaves unprepared dough in the fridge. In the morning, she makes a plast out of it and fries it in the pan using oil. So after we have spread, once again, a new plast from the rolls that we had prepared previously, we put it onto the frying pan. We use some oil at the bottom so that it doesn't get stuck to the pan, and we cover it and use some low fire and turn it from time to time, and your kattama will be ready. Thank you very much. Here we have the Kyrgyz dish that is served on breakfast for whatever time, and let's actually take a bite of it. Yeah? So you tear it with your hands. Remember, this is Kyrgyzstan, and with hands it's always tastier and better. So let's take a bite. Kattama is always good. I swear, guys, it's always good. Actually, you may eat it with sour cream and some other, or even honey. Why not? I just saw honey over here. But usually people eat it with sour cream for breakfast. So yeah, this is your #1 breakfast meal in Kyrgyzstan. Enjoy.